Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the tutorial on replacing the original battery in your HP 15DK laptop. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to your laptop's internal components. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Also, remove any external devices connected to it. Now, let's begin by flipping the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically about 8 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, take your plastic spudger and gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage the clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for a successful battery replacement. If you notice any dust, you can use a can of compressed air to gently blow it away. Next, locate the battery connector. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector straight up from the motherboard. There may be a small tab holding it in place, so use your spudger if necessary to loosen it. Now, remove the screws securing the battery itself. Depending on your model, you might find up to 4 screws holding the battery in place. Again, keep these screws organized, as you will need them for the new battery installation. Once the screws are out, lift the battery out of the compartment. At this point, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with the process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help you determine the best course of action. Now, take your new battery and place it in the compartment. Ensure it aligns properly with the screw holes. Secure it using the screws you removed earlier. Once the battery is in place, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling the laptop, take a moment to check for any loose cables or debris inside. A clean internal environment can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. Now, it's time to put the back cover on. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient battery replacement process. To conclude, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check the battery status to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you every step of the way as you enjoy your refreshed HP 15DK laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.